stroke, captured by your brilliance, your chromatic blaze. Ribbons of jade, violet and rose, you kiss my soul where the cold wind blows. Not a burn but a balm, your light on my skin. The sky's gentle sigh, let the thaw begin. The frost in my pulse became stellar light, and the void in my chest started glowing within. Oh, northern lights, your whispers of flame, turning my silence to a radiant name. Where you danced, the broken find wings. You didn't just shine, you showed me the strings. Now I'm strung to the pulse of your cosmic loom, weaving my scars into auroras of bloom. Kissed by your grace, I'm no longer the same.